Assalamualaikum viewers, I'm Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how can I connect a Samsung mobile to desktop with an application. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. First we have to go a Chrome browser and download an application that name DEX. So here you can see, after that you have to tap on it. I will give this link in my first comment, so check it out. Now you can click on for Windows 7 and Windows 10. Sorry, here you can see it's downloading. Okay, wait just for a minute. It says it's 15 seconds left. 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Okay, I tap on it, close the window. Okay, I think my tap is not correctly, so I going to downloads and tap on it again. Okay, now it's come. I have to click on I agree. After that I have to install it. Tap on yes. It's installing. It's an desktop version of mobile, so it's installing. Just wait a minute. Where's it hanged here? Go baby go. Go. Why are you not going? Yeah. That's it. Now I have to click on yes. Your Samsung DeX is installed. Now you have to take a cable and put it to your mobile. Okay, I am putting it in mobile. You have to allow it and start now. You can see this is my mobile. There you can see. You can do anything you want from your desktop. Okay, you can see I'm going to Google. Here you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.